Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking sliding glass doors today. And in the event that yours is not locking, it may be as simple as just adjusting the screw. We're going to show you that here shortly. However, this is pretty standard across all manufacturer sliding glass doors. DIYers, here we are at the sliding glass door. Again, this is an Anderson window, as you can see with the AW. And scrolling above right now is a video link that shows us replacing this exact thumb latch. So in the event that your thumb latch is completely loose and wobbling to a point where it feels like it's going to fall off, you need to get that fixed, and in most cases it's less than $20 to fix that. However, back to why we're here. We are having trouble locking this sliding glass door. So basically the thumb latch comes up and we can open it, and when we close it we try to lock it, but it's extremely hard. And at this point, the last thing you want to do is pry this to the lock position, because what can happen is you can break the thumb latch, or you can additionally break the internal latch, and that's not what you want. So let me get the door a little more open, and let's take a look at this latch portion here. You will notice the internal mechanism that this little hook grabs onto. However, if yours is jammed, try to unjam it and lubricate it. If that doesn't do it, you have what is called an adjustment screw right here. Grab a tiny or thin tip flathead screwdriver and adjust this out. As you can see right now, it's basically all the way in, and when it's in like that, it allows this latch to go far into the housing. But in our case, we want this portion to be out. So again, grab a flathead screwdriver and carefully turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise just a little bit. And at that point, what it does, let me come in here, you can kind of see it right here. As we unscrew that, the internal head of the screw shifts outward toward us, which in return allows this latch to come further out to allow that hook on the opposite side to grab a hold of it. So again, just give the adjustment screw a few turns, and I start maybe a quarter way out, see if it latches. If you're still having trouble or it's very stiff, again, do not pry that thumb latch down and break it. That would not be good. Open the door back up and continue unscrewing that adjustment screw. And you cannot actually unscrew this all the way. It comes to a stopping point because, again, the internal head is larger than the base here. That's on the external portion close to us. At this point, you will notice I can bring this latch very far out, even outside of the frame itself, which we could not do when the screw was screwed all the way in. It would basically allow it to come to about here, but now we can bring it way out here, and that may be just enough to allow that latch to grab a hold of it and lock. Now it's time to test it out. Verify your thumb latch is in the open or unlocked position as shown here, and slide the door shut, and a lot better. We don't have an aggressive stopping point as we did before, but it's still a little tough. I don't like that. So if that's the case and we have run out of adjustment, well, DIYers, it is time to replace this latch as well as the opposite side here. And scrolling above right now is a video link that shows us replacing these exact latches with a brand new kit. Definitely check that out. You may find that to be the best fix. From here, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.